Time is money, right? And what better way to save both time and money than by integrating your site's contact forms with your favorite email marketing service? But sometimes that requires custom integrations, outside developer help, things that cost money. It sure would be great if there was a quick and simple way to integrate your site's contact forms with your email marketing service. Oh wait, there is! WPForms is excited to introduce our brand new MailerLite add-on. The MailerLite add-on by WPForms allows you to integrate your contact forms with your MailerLite account to automatically add new leads to your MailerLite list each time a person fills out and submits a form on your site. With the MailerLite add-on, you can select from any of the available actions to perform each time a new entry is submitted to your site. You can add new contacts to your mailing lists and segment them by type and group, unsubscribe users from your list or a specific group, and more. The MailerLite add-on will also allow you to map your form's custom fields to any of the available fields in MailerLite, allowing you to collect even more valuable information from your customers. You can also make use of our smart conditional logic so that the MailerLite add-on will only perform these actions if users meet certain criteria, such as checking a particular box in your form or filling in a particular field. And when a user fills out and submits a form on your site, you can log into your MailerLite account to find your brand new subscriber. We believe in making complicated things crazy simple, and the MailerLite add-on by WPForms does just that. So what are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.